What's up YouTube? Tonight I'm gonna introduce you a different kind of the breathing technique. This one is how you breathe through your lungs to make you feel more comfortable when you do the meditation. All kind of meditation is just like a technique how to breathe. So beginning of the meditation, when you do breath system working well, you will find your meditation will have a good quality. So I did the meditation for 20 years after finish my school, meditation school. So because I'm the Hinduism as well, so I did the meditation a lot. So I found many breathing system with different kind of breathing. So I will show you some of breathing technique that useful before you start your meditation, right? So depend on how you do your technique, breathing technique, so you will find useful. So take one of them before you do the meditation. After you take one of the breathing technique, and then you do meditation. This will find you the meditation will be success when you do the breathing before meditation. So let's start it. So the first one, I present you the easy one. The easy one is the breathing technique number one. Is just hold your hand, your leg, hold your leg, and then take your elbow down. During take elbow down, your head up. When your head up is inhale by your nose, by your mouth, doesn't matter. And when you do the upper side, your elbow in the front, your head down, and exhale. And you do it, and more speed up. Do like 20 seconds, and then begin. You exhale and take everything out, all the air out from the lung, and then inhale. And in the exhale, hold for 20 seconds, and inhale, hold for 20 seconds. Let's do it. Okay, ready? First one, in. Ini feel. Okay, next one. Second technique is doing by your mouth, by take out your tongue like this, and in an exhale as slow as possible, take out every air from the lung, and inhale by the mouth as well. Okay, do it for 20 times. Next one, you roll your tongue in, roll your tongue back. Do the same thing. Inhale, exhale for 20 seconds. Roll your tongue in, out, and then hold your breath. Exhale first 20 seconds and inhale 20 seconds, hold it back. Now exhale, hold 20 seconds. Inhale. So I have something inside. Inhale. Hold 20 seconds. Okay, next one, number 3. So the breathing technique in yoga, we call it the pranayama, and when you're sitting down, we call it asanas. Asanas is the way how your body movement, how you sit, how you standing, how you walk. This we call asana, asanas. So the breathing, how you breathe, we call it pranayama. Okay, next one. We do speed as possible. You do breathe as speed as possible. And after you doing speed, breathe and then take off, exhale everything out. In this time, you will lock your body, everything out. Sometimes you feel tingling in all your body. It means it's good because all the air in your body is changing. You take out all the sick, all the bacteria in your body and change with new air, new oxygen. So let's do it. This is technique number 3. Do it speed 1. Ready? Hold it. Inhale. Hold again 20 seconds. If you can do it like more than 20 seconds, you can do it 1 minute, 2 minutes, whatever. And exhale. The next technique is number 4. The next technique is you do need to hold. For the beginning, we do it. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale for 20 or 30. If you can do it for 30, you can feel more. Because I do everything, so I do only 20 times now. Originally, this technique is found by Wim Hof. He is Germany, and this can take all the bacteria from your body. You can also energize your system. You can stay cold. You can use cold shower. You can use the bath, cold bath. Everything is for release all the bacteria from your body. This is very good during all the year or during the winter. We do it. Actually, if you can sleep, you can do it while sleep. Is much better because sometimes you got big movement because this one is a strong one. So we do it light one, we do it the strong one. The last time we do, check my link below. You can see the what breathing system I did before for the to energize, for the maximize your lung to fight against the virus. So you see this. Okay, we do it 20 times. We don't do it 30 or 40 times. That's why we do 30 times or 40 times, and then hold a breath, exhale breathing, hold a breath, and sleep. And then hold for 30 seconds or 1 minute. Because we do 3 times, you can do it, and by the end you can hold for 2-3 minutes. It's very powerful. The next one, after the exhale, you hold for 30 seconds, and then inhales and keep for 15 seconds. We do it when you cycle for 3 times, then it's done. Okay, do it. Let's do it. This was technique number 4, I think. Let's do it. Everything out, everything in, big one. Big one. Exhale. Okay. Inhale. Okay, the technique number 4, when you do only technique number 4, you can sleep and do but 3 cycles, and then you can get holy breath longer. You can do it 40 times. Breathe, exhale and inhale 30 or 40 times, and then you hold it, and then do it again 30-40 times, and you hold it. That's what 3 cycles. The next one is we're gonna unlock all your chakra until your head chakra, everything. So by the end, after we do the breathe, and we're gonna sit like we call it timpuh. So say your leg will be down, and sit down with your ankle behind. Your bum will be sitting with your ankle, and that time your chakra, your muladhara chakra will sit like that, and lift it up like that. Yes, like that, and then we straight up your chakra. All chakra is is connecting, right? So by the end, we exhale everything and take your tongue out and blow everything and hold it as long as you can, and then inhale, hold it, and then we're done. Right? Let's do it. So we're gonna take my pillow like that so you can sit down like this. So this is how you do. Okay, hold the chakra, Muladhara chakra, like this. Okay, I do the speed breathe first. The breath as long as speed as you can, right? We start. Relax and be done. Right, that's it today. So we do little bit stretch. This will stretch a little bit. Okay. Okay. The best exercise just in front of the bed like this. Down. Okay, be done. Thank you very much. Namaste, namaskaram. Om Brahma Vishnu Samdevan Jivat Manam Trilokanam Srajara Pasilam Sudra Klesavancham. Om Guru Padukoya Namaswam. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Bhurgvasva Tat Savitur Varinim Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi